This is Kovalam Beach. Kovalam Beach, no?
Yeah, it's Kovalam Beach, and now we are in the lighthouse.
We're gonna climb up this, not climbing, walk up or leap.
The e-display, another display.
This is the view from top of the lighthouse. Seaboard, no? Yeah. International seaboard. Team is getting ready for swimming. We are heading to another Vivo, 20 rupees. So creative. Dressed up. Oh, get.
You go and give yourself.
Yeah. Oh, look here. Woo! Getting ready to jump inside.
Matthew, change the game.
You guys go ahead.
Hey, you. Why you kept
You can.
Hey, Matthew. Hey.
Wait.
Hey, it's waterproof phone only, no?
Very salty. Very salty. Okay, done.
Okay,